A rainy day. Rain. It washes away my sorrow. I'm walking towards the park under my bright umbrella. Wet leaves no longer rustle underfoot. It is a pity. The streets are deserted. There is no usual bustle, and I keep going. Lightning flashing in the distance. Thunder comes without rush, but I am calm. Sitting on a bench near the lake, I watch as drops of rain, falling, create bubbles on the smooth surface of the water. It is pretty cute, isn't it? Although around there is fall coolness and gray from the weather, all that does not already matter. I just feel greater. Thank you for watching.